Good morning, boys and girls, or afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. Today is Friday, and we've almost made it through our first week. Let me just tell you that um, I have found this process frustrating a little bit for me because I love seeing your faces, and it's hard for me to really know if you're understanding what we're working on, but it's the best we can do for right now. So we're going to just continue doing what we do and focusing on what we need to learn. So we'll just keep on working on it. And so I hope that you're able to access the videos. If not, have your parents give me a call or text me or email me, and so we can get everything working. Remember, I love you so much and I miss you, and I so wish we could be together. But anyway, this is just where we are right now, right? So we're doing the best we can. All right, so today's Friday, so I told you yesterday when we did this lesson that we were going to finish it today, and then we also are going to do a little thing from Global Gardens, okay? So you will, in just a few minutes, get to see about um, Global Gardens and what Miss Jenny has been doing. Even though I know it's not exactly what we are doing. I mean, it's not the same as we can't be in the garden, right? Because it's on a video. But anyway, we are just working the best we can. Okay, so we're going to move on here. So this next one, remember, we're trying to find two numbers that will get me to 7. The answer has to be 7. So our numbers are 6, 0, and 7. And I know some of you are probably looking at that and you know what it is automatically, but we're going to just go through the trying part of that just so that we can see, okay? So if I did 6 and 0, right, then I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to move this one out of the way. And 0 more. So does that equal 7? Nope, you are right. So the next one would say 0. So that would be all of these yellow ones are gone. So I'm going to take them and hopefully move them away. So I have 0 yellow and 7 blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So does 0 and 7 equal 7? You are right, it does. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to color 0 and 7. Remember, when you're doing this, do you have to use the same color I do? Nope, you don't. You can use whatever you want to. Okay, now I'm going to move these back and we're going to try the next one. So the next one says 6, 1, and 4. So we're going to start with 6, right? So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to move this one out of the way because we only needed 6. And then 1 blue. So 1 blue. I'll move this one down here. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So does 6 and 1 equal 7? It does. You are right. Okay, so I know your guys are going to see, I know that there was a stop in our video, but I just want to tell you what happened. So, and this is not unusual, as you guys know, because you live in my classroom all the time. But Miss Jones called me, and she was having a problem with somebody having problems getting into their Waterford. So I stopped the video for a few minutes and helped her, and now I'm back, okay? So we are here, right? And we counted out 6 yellows and 1 blue to see if that's the total. So now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So does 6 and 1 equal 7? It does. So now we are going to color in. Up. That's not what I wanted. So I wanted this bigger one. There we go. Just because it's takes a little bit less time to color it in. Okay. So next is, I've got 3 and 2. Does 3 and 2 equal 7? Can you think about that for a minute? If I did 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 4, 5, does that equal 7? Nope, it doesn't. Now this time let's try 2 and 5. So I'm going to put 2 over here, and then 5. 1, 2, silly, but 3, 4, 5. Now 2 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does 2 and 5 equal 7? It does. All right. Gotta make sure I've got that. So now I'm gonna, no. I want a bigger one. There we go. So not 3, but 2 and 5, right? Now. Okay. Why is this not working for us? Two. Let me try this one. All right, it's not going to work for me. Let's try something else. It's still not working. See, I'm going to try to go back, and I don't want to waste our time. Okay, there I've got something. So let's try if I can go back here into yellow. Let's see. Is it going to work? Nope, still not. So then how about brown? I change it to brown. Nope, still not. Wonder why it's not. It's not doing it there either. It's right over here. Oh, I'm going to go back again. Let's try this. There we go. I don't know what was wrong. You know. You guys know how it is. Sometimes we just struggle with things. Okay, so this is 1 and 6, right? So I'm going to put 1 yellow, and then I'm going to do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add me another one. Now does 1 and 6 make 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, it does. So I'm going to color in those two. And it's still not working for me, but let's try it again. All right. Now, these last few here, I want you all to try on your own because I don't want to make this video too long today. It's already been 8 minutes. So anyway, I want to turn on the back. This one to me, whoops, I think it went, is much easier. Okay, so all we are trying to do is get to 5. So how many dots are here? 1, 2, right? So I need to figure out how many more do I need to get to 5. So if I put 0 with 2, is that 5? Nope. If I put 5 with 2, is that 5? Nope. If I put 3 with 2, so if I put 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 5? Yep, it is. So I am thinking I'm just going to circle the right answer today. If you want to color it in, you can. Okay, now going here. How many fingers are up? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many more do I need to get to 5? Think about that for a minute. Is it going to be 1, 4, or 3? You're right, it is 1. Good job. Okay, this one, we're starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've already got 5. So how many more do I need to get to 5? You are so smart. We need 0. So we're going to circle the 0. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that make 5? Yep. Again, you guys did it. Good. Now this one I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many more do I need to get to 5? Yep, I need 0. Good job. Now this one is 1, right? 2, 3. Does that make 5? Nope. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that make 5? You were right. It does. Good. Awesome. So do the front part and finish it, and then you are done with this. I'm going to pause this for a second, and then when I come back, we're going to do the global garden stuff that Miss Jenny had for us, and we'll see at our garden. Hey boys and girls, Miss Proud again, and I just am sharing with you the stuff that Miss Jenny sent me about the garden, so you will see it a little bit. I'm gonna change, this is the first time Miss Pratt's done this part, so I'm trying to make it a little bit, I think we want it a little bit. Okay, we'll try that. See how that goes. Okay, so this is a garden update by Miss Jenny. So you'll see, it says, hello, Miss Pratt's class. I miss you all very much, and I miss exploring the garden with you. Since we can't be in the garden together right now, I wanted to show you what's been happening there. Miss Jenny. Okay, let's see. I definitely want it. Okay, let's try to stick there so we can see it a little bit better. So, okay. You can see the flowers. Miss Jenny is pointing right there to the viola, right there. Do you see that? And then there's the tulip right here and the pansy. She said there are many beautiful flowers blooming all over the garden. There are lots of garden helpers out and about. We love insects in our garden. So you see Miss Jenny here has a grasshopper. And right over here, do you see some roly-polies? Yeah. Do you like playing with roly-polies? Oh my goodness, and there is a bee down there. All right, it says, can you find the garden helper hiding in this picture? What do you think? I wonder if, let's see, you think maybe there's a worm or something down in there? I'm not sure. Okay, so let's go here. Oh, it's a toad. I didn't even see that. Oh, but it is at that same place, right? I saw 4 different toads in the garden today. See how she blends into her surroundings? How do you think that could help the toad? Yeah, I think that it helps the toad to hide so the people who might be wanting to eat the toad can't get to him. All right. Your spinach seeds have sprouted. Imagine how hard their roots are working. Where are the roots? Do you remember? They're underground. Yep. The baby plants are getting bigger every day. Do you guys miss getting to go out in the garden? I do. So our blueberry bush has flowers. Soon bees and butterflies will come help the plant turn each flower into a blueberry. The insects help by pollinating the flowers. Click to learn more about pollinating. Okay, so we're gonna look at this video and see if we can get it to work. see, control, I think. Oh, there. Okay, let's see it. See if we can see it real quick. Okay, so now I'm going to go back, move this a little bit, and let's see it. So we're not going to stay doing this right now because I don't want to take so much of your time up. But if you want to see this, go onto YouTube and do a search for bees and butterflies pollinating. And you know how Miss Pratt feels about YouTube. You just have to be careful with YouTube. There's some really great stuff in it. Like, do you see these videos that it's showing you over here? Those all look like really good stuff. You just have to be careful. So I don't want you to get hurt. Okay? So we're going to go back to the rest of Miss Jenny's stuff. And let's see where we are. We did that one, right? Yeah. Our apple tree is blooming. The flowers smell so nice, and soon they'll turn into apples with more help from the insects that pollinate. Let's go to this a little bit here. It's like garden mystery. These plants are growing in the grass, but we didn't plant them. What could they be? How do you think they got here? And she said, I'll tell you the answers next week. Okay, so we will look forward to that. Now, I think the last note from Miss Jenny says, I miss you very much. I will continue taking care of the garden and will update you soon. Much love, Miss Jenny. Okay, so we are going to end there today. Boys and girls, be sure that you're taking care of yourself. You're getting food to eat. You are getting good clothes to be put on. You are being kind and gentle with your family because it is a stressful time in all of our lives, no matter what, because we can't be doing the things we want to do right now with being places. It's hard on everybody, but especially when you're like cooped up in your house. So make sure you do some Go Noodles, some things that Coach Mike would have assigned you, and just get your energy out. Be nice to your brothers and sisters. Be kind. Be gentle with your family. And remember, no matter what, Miss Pratt loves you, and I cannot wait to see you again. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.